Imagine a world where you can save, borrow, or invest without banks, without paperwork, and without waiting. That's not the future, it's happening now. It's called decentralized finance, or simply DeFi. For decades, traditional banking has been centralized, controlled by intermediaries like banks and governments. They decide who can access credit, how long transactions take, and what fees you'll pay. DeFi replaces middlemen with smart contracts, lines of code that execute automatically on the blockchain. No approvals. No delays. Just transparent, instant financial actions. With DeFi, users can lend, borrow, trade, or earn interest anytime, anywhere, without permission. It's borderless, open, and always on. Every transaction is encrypted and visible on the blockchain, impossible to alter once confirmed. That transparency builds trust no central system can match. DeFi isn't just technology, it's a movement for financial freedom. In this new era, trust is built by code, not control. Join Awon Learning International and explore how DeFi is reshaping the financial world.